Today, I am going to show you something really cool. You can animate any product photo inside Canva in less than a minute. Look at these examples. This one and this one. All started as regular static photos, and now they are moving. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. Let's jump in. All right, first add your product photo to the canvas. I already have some photos uploaded. Let me select this one. Now right-click on it and set it as a background. To animate it, click on Edit, then select Image. Here you'll find the Image to Video option. This will convert your photo into a 5-second video. Now you'll see two options. The first one is Smart. This automatically adds motion to your image without you describing anything. The second one is Custom, where you can describe exactly how you want your image to move. I'll go with the Smart option. It works really well in most cases. So this is the video Canva created. If you don't like the result, just click Generate again, and it will create a new version for you. Once you're happy with it, click Add to Design. And that's it. Your product photo is now an animated video. Now let me try this with another product photo. I'll select this one, right-click, and set it as a background. Click Edit, select Image, go to Image to Video, and Generate. And this is the result. Beautiful motion added automatically. And that's how you animate your product photos in Canva in just a few clicks. This is perfect for social media ads, Instagram Reels, and product promotions. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. Comment below, which product are you going to animate first?